Today, we're tackling a crucial topic: injury prevention. Whether you're a seasoned triathlete or just starting out, these tips will help you stay in top form. Training for a triathlon is no easy feat, and avoiding injuries is key to crossing that finish line with a smile. So, grab a seat and let's dive into the essentials of injury prevention for triathletes. Warming up. Dynamic stretching. Engaging in dynamic stretching is an effective way to warm up your muscles and prepare them for the demands of your workout. This involves controlled movements through a full range of motion. This type of stretching helps increase blood flow, flexibility, and joint mobility, reducing the risk of injuries during more intense activities. Starting easy. Alternatively, commencing your workout with light, easy exercises allows your body to gradually transition into higher intensity. This gentle introduction prepares your muscles and joints for the challenges ahead, minimizing the likelihood of strains or injuries that can occur when pushing your body from a cold start. Many triathletes are time-pressed, so opting for starting your workouts easy is a great way to save time. By incorporating dynamic stretching or starting your workout with easy movements, you enhance your body's readiness for the demands of your triathlon training, contributing to a safer and more effective exercise routine. Load management and periodization. Load management. Load management is a critical aspect of injury prevention in triathlon training. Understanding load management involves finding the right balance between the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's not solely about how far you go, but also how hard you push yourself during training. Gradual increments in both intensity and duration allow your body to adapt progressively, reducing the risk of overuse injuries. Periodization. Employing a concept known as periodization can play a pivotal role in optimizing your training program. Incorporating periodization involves organizing your workouts into distinct phases, each with specific goals. These phases typically include periods of higher intensity and lower volume, followed by lower intensity and higher volume. This systematic approach helps prevent burnout, overtraining, and injuries by providing your body with adequate time for recovery. For example, you might have a period focused on building endurance, followed by one emphasizing speed and intensity. This cycling of training variables allows for consistent progress while mitigating the risk of overloading specific muscle groups or joints. By incorporating both load management principles and periodization into your triathlon training, you create a well-rounded approach that supports long-term performance gains while minimizing the risk of injury. Sleep. Quality sleep is non-negotiable for recovery. Here are some tips to wind down effectively before bedtime. Establish a routine. Create a consistent pre-sleep routine to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. This could include activities like reading, gentle stretching, or practicing relaxation techniques. Limit screen time. Reduce exposure to screens at least an hour before bedtime. The blue light emitted by devices can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycle. You can also consider wearing blue light blocking glasses to mitigate the impact of screen time on your circadian rhythm. Dim the lights. Lower the lights in your environment as bedtime approaches. Dim lighting signals to your body that it's time to produce melatonin, the sleep hormone. Optimize your sleep environment. Ensure your sleep environment is conducive to rest. Keep the room cool, dark, and quiet. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows or even blackout curtains to block external light sources. These curtains can create a darker, more conducive sleep environment, especially if you live in an area with streetlights or early morning sunlight. Eye masks. Consider using an eye mask to block out any remaining ambient light. This can be especially beneficial if you have difficulty achieving complete darkness in your sleeping environment. Limit caffeine. Be aware of the half-life of caffeine, particularly from coffee. With a half-life of about 3 to 5 hours, it means that even several hours after consumption, a significant amount of caffeine can still be active in your system. Avoid consuming caffeinated beverages close to bedtime and consider opting for a calming herbal tea instead. By incorporating these practices into your pre-sleep routine, you can promote a more relaxed and restful night's sleep. Recovery nutrition. Ensuring your body receives the right nutrients after a demanding triathlon session is key to optimizing performance and preventing injuries. Carbohydrates for refueling. After intense exercise, replenishing muscle glycogen stores is essential. Focus on carbohydrate-rich foods like whole grains and fruits. Protein for muscle repair. Protein plays a pivotal role in repairing and building muscles after a workout. Include sources like lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, or plant-based options such as legumes and tofu. This aids in the recovery process, ensuring your muscles are ready for the next challenge. Micronutrient-rich foods. In addition to macronutrients, don't overlook the importance of micronutrients. Include a variety of colourful fruits and vegetables in your post-workout meals. For instance, a banana at breakfast provides not only carbohydrates, but also valuable vitamins and minerals. Hydration for recovery. Rehydration is equally vital. Fluids help replace what's lost through sweat during exercise. If you find yourself not immediately hungry after a workout, consider hydrating with options like milk or a nutrient-packed smoothie. This not only replenishes your lost liquids, but also provides essential nutrients for recovery. By paying attention to these recovery nutrition principles, you provide your body with the necessary building blocks to repair, refuel, and prepare for your next triumphant triathlon endeavour. Gym strength work. Incorporating strength training into your triathlon regimen isn't just about building muscle for aesthetic appeal. It plays a fundamental role in injury prevention. Let's unravel how hitting the gym for some strength work can be a game changer. Muscle imbalances. Triathlon training predominantly engages specific muscle groups repeatedly. Over time, this can lead to muscle imbalances, where certain muscles become disproportionately stronger or weaker than their counterparts. Strength training addresses these imbalances by targeting various muscle groups, ensuring a more even distribution of strength and reducing the risk of overuse injuries. Joint stability. Strong muscles contribute to better joint stability. Triathletes who subject their joints to repetitive stress during activities like running and cycling benefit immensely from strength training. It enhances the supportive structures around joints, reducing the likelihood of strains and injuries, especially in areas prone to overuse. Improved biomechanics. Effective biomechanics are essential for efficient and injury-free triathlon performance. Strength training enhances your biomechanical efficiency by promoting proper movement patterns. This is particularly crucial during fatigue, where a well-trained body is more likely to maintain form and reduce the risk of injury-inducing compensations. Connective tissue resilience. Triathletes often face challenges related to connective tissues, such as tendons and ligaments, due to the repetitive nature of their activities. Strength training stimulates the adaptation and strengthening of these tissues, making them more resilient and less susceptible to strains. Injury resilience. Ultimately, strength training contributes to overall injury resilience. A well-conditioned, strong body is better equipped to withstand the demands of triathlon training, reducing the risk of sidelining injuries and ensuring consistent progress in your athletic journey. So, when you're hitting the gym for strength work, you're not just building muscles. You're fortifying your body against the challenges of triathlon training, keeping injuries at bay, and paving the way for a successful and enduring athletic career. Extras. Now, let's talk about the extras, those additional measures often seen as the sprinkles on the cupcake of injury prevention. While they can add a nice touch, it's important to recognize that they aren't as crucial as the foundational aspects we've discussed. Think of them as optional enhancements rather than non-negotiable components. Static stretching. Static stretching, for example, has mixed evidence regarding injury prevention. While some studies suggest it may not be as effective as once thought, if you enjoy stretching and it feels good, go for it. It can contribute to flexibility and may have individual benefits. Just keep in mind that it's not the ultimate safeguard against injuries. Recovery boots. Devices like recovery boots claim to enhance recovery by promoting blood circulation and reducing muscle soreness. However, their necessity is debatable, and their impact varies from person to person. They might be a luxury rather than a must-have. Supplements. Supplements fall into a similar category. While they can complement a well-rounded diet, they're not a substitute for proper nutrition. Consult with medical professionals like your doctor or sports dietitian before incorporating them, as individual needs differ. Percussion massages. In recent years, percussion massages have gained popularity in the athletic community. These handheld devices use rapid pulses to massage and stimulate muscles, potentially reducing muscle soreness and enhancing recovery. While research is ongoing, many athletes find them beneficial in relaxing tight muscles. Remember, these extras are like the sprinkles on the cupcake, nice to have if they align with your preferences. Incorporate all of these practices into your triathlon journey to safeguard against injuries. Your body is your greatest asset. Train wisely, stay healthy, and enjoy the journey. If you found these tips valuable, show your support, subscribe for more insights, and share your injury prevention experiences in the comments. Until next time, happy and injury-free training.